this empty room with echoes of the things I should have known. Every step feels heavier than before. I'm searching for a reason to go on. The sky is crying silver tears tonight, and I can't find the strength to fight. I whisper to the wind your name, hoping somehow you'd feel the same. Maybe I'm lost, maybe I'm blind, but your voice still lives in my mind. So hold me through the rain when my heart can't take the pain. Don't let me fade away tonight. I need your light to make it right. Save me from the fall when I can't stand at all. You're the only one who ever knew how to pull me through. The world keeps spinning without care, but I'm still standing, gasping for air. The pieces of my heart, they're scattered wide, and I'm too tired to even try. You were the calm in my hurricane. Now I'm lost in my own chain. If I reach out, will you still be there? Or have you moved beyond the grave? I'm trying to breathe, I'm trying to find a trace of peace I left behind. So hold me through the rain when my heart can't take the pain. Don't let me fade away tonight. I need your light to make it right. Save me from the fall when I can't stand at all. You're the only one who ever knew how to pull me through. All these shadows haunting me are memories I can't set free. If love's the cure, then where are you? I'm breaking down without a clue. Hold me through the rain when my heart can't take the pain. Don't let me fade away tonight. I need your light to make it right. Save me from the fall when I can't stand at all. You're the only one who ever knew how to pull me through. So hold me through the rain till I can breathe again.